Hi, everybody. Welcome to the 1 year update of my peel and stick tile floor. Now, you see, I went straight in it because I really want you to see this thing is still as beautiful as it was when I first installed it. So now, this is what the floor used to be, and this is what it looked like the first day after I installed it. And now, this is what I'm showing you right now is what the floor still look like a year later. And I'm in the bathroom. I'm showing you. I'm trying to get all the little corners here. See there, right there, you see that little opening there? Yeah, I left it this way on purpose because God forbid there's a leak down there. I will be able to tell because the water will go and sit right behind there. But all in all, the floor is still looking as good as it did on the first day. Now, throughout the year, I've seen comments, that give me advice and things. I appreciate them all, and I like positive and negative. I like all criticism. To me, they help me get better because this DIY thing, I'm really kind of new at it. However, I appreciate how the flow actually stay exactly the way it was really from when I first installed it. Now, some people ask if it's slippery. This floor is not slippery at all. It actually have a slight grip to it, so my kids play all the time in the bathroom and they never slip and fall. So it's not bad, and I think you can see all the little gaps and stuff in between the tile. So what I'm going to do probably on the next video, I'm gonna get some grout and I'm gonna fill them up, and that way the floor can stay good for a long time. So again, this is the 1 year update. As you can see, I'm just filming back and forth, just showing you. And I think the tile, well, you can see it as well, the tile still look as good as it did from the first day. So the mistakes that I made, which a lot of people pointed them out to me, so I'm going to grout the tile to make it look better, to fill all the little gaps that you can see right there. You see? And I think after I grout it, I think that really is the only thing I can see right now that bothers me just a little bit. But I'm still very satisfied with the floor. I don't think it cost $100. That was amazing to me. So, and I still love it. And I'm gonna put that same tile in my closet, which I'm gonna completely redo, but that will be for videos, coming up later. But yeah, please, if you still have comments, go ahead and drop them. Let me know what you think of my 1 year update, what you think of my floor, and if you see what I see, actually, it still look as good as it did from the beginning. And the only thing I will have to do now is get some grout and fill the little gaps, and so the floor can last me a long time. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. That way you don't miss any of our other videos. Thank you. Bye.